I pull up, roll the windows down it. I pull up, roll the windows down it. Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't
Hi, hotties, kettles, tea stirs. You here for hot tea. All commentary is alleged, and in my opinion, this is for entertainment purposes only. As you all know, Love and Marriage Huntsville came on Saturday, and we have to discuss the Fletchers and their scene because they were so relatable. They have this amazing dynamic with their family, and they have real story. They are so interesting. I really want to talk about this. I also want y'all to get in the comments and let me know what you guys think about the Fletchers. We need more of the Fletchers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit the post notification bell so you guys are up to date each and every time that I upload. I want to give you guys my commentaries, but I did leave a clip of the scene with the Fletchers in this video. However, I will be posting a separate clip with all of the Love and Marriage Huntsville scenes that I will be breaking down without my commentary. So if you guys would just like to see the clips and the scenes without my commentary, look out for those videos. Love and Marriage Huntsville producers, this is what we're looking for. This is what we need. They are completely transparent. Their family dynamic is really interesting, and Nell is not afraid to hold back. I love how we got an opening introduction to everyone, and you guys are going to see in this clip, but Nell and Chris met with one child each already, and that's Alexi, and that is the girl with the white boyfriend. No shade, do you, boo? Because I'm here for it. And Nell had Lance, which is the guy with the locks that has the white shirt on with the chain, but she doesn't consider them to be a blended family. And they also have two kids together, and that is the girl with the black shirt and the locks or the braids, and then the boy that's down far sitting next to Chris. And in my opinion, he's coming out to be the baby. I think he's the baby. They didn't really clear that up, but I think he's the baby because he going to jail. He having his mama pay for his dog, and he don't even want to pay his mama back. That is the baby mentality of the family. Regardless, I'm not judging. I'm interested to know what's the family dynamic. Like, why did he go to jail? What type of dog did he have? And mind you, y'all get in the comments and let me know y'all thoughts on the conversation as far as Nell not giving him his dog back, because I agree with Nell. Now, granted, I also agree with the son as far as my parents should just pay for everything that I want and let it be what it is, and I should never have to pay you back. But nonetheless, I totally understand what Nell's coming from as far as her trying to teach her son some responsibility. But I'm gonna be real, Nell and Chris, I think it's a little too late. All right, y'all should have been teaching him some responsibility, or it wouldn't have been panning out like this. But I am literally not judging them because I love the transparency, but I will give my thoughts on it. Mind you, I want to go ahead and say this because I know that I said I didn't really like Chris or the Fletchers. I don't know, they were iffy. Anything that I ever said bad about the Fletchers, let's go ahead and throw that out the window because I really like them. I like what they're bringing to the table. I love that Nell is so fashion forward. Like, y'all, her outfit was hitting, and then she had the back out. Her skin was oiled. I like that Chris is so calm and chill, and he allows Nell to be herself. Sidebar, I have an auntie like Nell. Nell is so relatable, and Kiki is me with my auntie. But I only have one slick comment before I get popped in my mouth, and Kiki got two slick comments in. And granted, it's probably because we on camera and Nell just don't want to pop nobody in the mouth, but Nell gives me the vibes, okay? She gives me the vibes. I'm telling you, Nell been popping in the mouth since the kids was born. I can tell. So I don't know if I said their names, but Kayla and Chris is Nell and Chris Fletcher kids together. We haven't really heard much from Kayla, which I feel like she might be the middle child. If you guys pay attention to family dynamics, the middle children always kind of get, go under the radar because the parents are always having to tend to the eldest and the baby, and you can clearly see that is the dynamic that's going on right now. So I'm interested because this is real life. We're also going to see Alexi, which is the eldest daughter on Chris' side, I believe. And I'm not going to say on Chris' side because they are both Neil and Chris kids, but just because we are just now getting to know them, this is just how I'm going to differentiate each person. So we're going to see Alexi and Chris have some type of issue where she feels like Chris haven't really been that involved since she was 28. We're going to see Chris Jr., which is who I believe is the baby. They're going to discuss him being locked up and his dog. We talk about feisty Kiki, and I like Kiki, but we don't get to hear much between the two middle children, who is Lance, who I believe, and Lance could be the oldest, I don't know, but Lance and Kayla. And I could have the order wrong, but I'm going to say based on the family dynamic, I have the order right. I believe Alexi is the eldest. I believe Lance is the next eldest. I then believe it was Kayla, and then I believe it was Chris Jr. Y'all get in the comments. Y'all let me know what y'all think the order is based on the dynamic that we see on TV. Regardless, this is so transparent. I love the family dynamic. Y'all get into this clip. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit the post notification bell so you guys are up to date each and every time that
I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, you can't
It's not in
That's why I'm mine. I spend my life